Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodities markets. Today, we focus on copper prices, which have been climbing steadily, supported by critical global economic factors. Let's dive into the details. On the 20th of September, copper prices extended their rally for a third consecutive session, positioning the metal to end the week on a strong note. This surge in prices comes as the US Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cuts have fueled optimism, boosting demand for risk assets, including copper. Additionally, hopes for economic stimulus from China, the world's leading consumer of copper, have played a significant role in this price movement. On the London Metal Exchange, 3-month copper prices rose by 0.5% to reach $9,564.50 per metric ton. This is quite close to the 2-month high seen in the previous session, with copper gaining an impressive 3.3% this week. Over in China, the Shanghai Futures Exchange also saw notable gains, where the most actively traded October copper contract rose by 1.3%, bringing it to 75,870 yuan per ton. The Federal Reserve's decision to initiate a monetary easing cycle with a half percentage point rate cut has given global markets a significant lift. This move not only bolsters confidence but also provides China with additional space to implement its own economic stimulus measures without putting undue pressure on its currency, the yuan. While China chose not to adjust its lending rates in its latest review, the outlook for copper remains positive, driven by expectations of forthcoming stimulus measures. Looking beyond copper, other base metals exhibited mixed performances. Aluminium on the London Metal Exchange saw a slight drop, declining by 0.1% to $2,536 per ton, while zinc edged up by 0.2% to $2,935. Nickel followed suit, rising 0.5% to $16,415, while lead and tin also gained, with tin surging by 1.2% to $32,200 per ton. Similarly, the Shanghai Futures Exchange recorded gains across several key metals. Aluminium added 0.4%, nickel increased by 1.1%, zinc rose 1.1%, and lead jumped by 1.4%. Tin, on the other hand, surged by an impressive 2.1% to reach 261,480 yuan per ton. The recent developments in the US and China have brought renewed energy into the base metals market, particularly copper. As we continue to monitor the situation, keep an eye on how these global economic policies unfold and what it means for future copper prices. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mani Guru for all the latest updates and insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more advanced analysis. Thank you for watching.